how to combine those two files or sheets. So I have 2005 here. I can add here. See, add. Again, I need to go to text file and I need to select 2016 here. Need to form the new union. Okay, for that I need to remove this first. So remove this. I don't want anything here. So I just wanted to click on new union. I can just simply drag and drop here and just okay. It's done. So I have both I have even 2011, 15 data and 2000.
Okay.
Maybe day, year. Do we have year in here? Okay, let me see. Yeah, we do have year. If I put year in pages of filter, I can filter out. 1 second. I think in our data source here, let me just go through. Okay, so this is the year column, and I wanted to convert this year column into date. Okay, yeah, I'm getting 2015 and 2016, and you need to press OK and just show the filter. Okay, now maybe single value drop down list. Okay, if I now maybe create gender wise, like which gender is like the more criminals are from which gender, male or female. So again, I need to click on this law of agency and maybe go to measures and just put count. You're getting a data of the genders who are against male are like 1000 males are the criminal and 52 females are criminal. If you select 2016, in 2016 again 1022 is a criminal and 58. If you select all, then you got the overall data, that is 2000 around and 110. I hope it will work. And just read the
Okay, now
okay, if I click on sheet, okay, I have okay, let's okay, this is the part. Okay, if you wanted to work with country wise data, you will face this problem here. Okay, no, I have just shown you the filters that year is working. Like I have a data of 2015 and 16. That's why
okay.
just to show for you I have used the filter. Okay, okay, now listen, I have I have chose the state, the geographical data type, but look at my graph. I like it said 51 unknown. Why 51 unknown?
It
Because I'm double click on the state, and in here we seen this 51 is unknown. Why 51 in unknown? Because I in my data I have a data of US state and cities. Okay, so I don't have country
okay.
column here. I just have state and city. So by default, when I'm installing Tableau, I chose India as my country. Have country column. We have just state and city. Then Tableau public automatically, select India as our country, and this state and cities are from India only. So they consider we are working on Indian data only. That's why the 51 states or 51 cities are unknown to what Tableau right now. So what you have to do, you have
Yeah.
to click on this, edit location. See here, it picked India by default.
Yes.
So you have to pick USA, okay, and then press OK. Now the states are visible, correct? It is visible. It is some, okay. Okay, now you can work on this project. So it's the main this thing, main problem. So I'll show you another problem also. Okay. Okay, if I want to find out top five agencies state-wise, okay. So I need to find out what top 10 agencies state-wise. So for agency, this is the column for agency. I just need to pick up and I need to, apply maybe the filter. So I wanted to see top five. Okay, before applying a filter, top five agencies state-wise. So each and every state. I need to put this. Okay, so let's apply here. Maybe filter. Let's apply a filter. Go to top and now to see top five agency. So you have to go through here and measure will be count. Okay. So we are getting what top five agencies. Overall agencies are top five. Okay, overall. Which one is Los Angeles, Phoenix, New York, and Chicago? But I wanted to see top five agencies, what state wise. So I need to, put this state into filters as well. I wanted to see the state wise, right? So I'll click all and then OK. And then maybe edit. Oh, no, I don't want to edit it. I just wanted to show this filter. So choose it, show filter, or make it single value drop down. Yeah, that will do. And even I want to do, okay. So now if I'm choosing AL, graph is not, okay. If I choose all, the graph is visible. If I choose any state, the graph is not visible. Why? Because we have used two filters. So it's like only one filters are active currently. If you want to both the filters get active together or work together, you have to do one thing. So you have to click on this arrow, go to add to contacts. Okay, look, now both my filters are working. Okay, so to see, let's say, top five agencies in let's say Texas, TX means what? Texas. So now top five is nothing but what? This Austin, San Antonio, Austin Police, Dallas Police, and Fort Worth Police. So these Austins are like 18, and then 14, 14, then 10 and 7. Clear? So these are problems you might face up and face when you start creating dashboard. Okay, so you have to pick. So we have options, right? Okay, see, rank the different state that has responsible for custodial death and showcase the top five states. Okay, this is something, but ensure proper formatting. Okay, not this. So where is this thing? Okay, so this one is done, right? The without manually combining the two excels. So you union successfully union happened in your Tableau, right? Okay, great. Okay. So next is you have to create these graphs, number of encounter that has occurred over different location. How many classification do we have? What is the race value? What how the age group of the criminals basically, male to female ratio, which I guess we have done this male to female ratio in our dashboard. Here, the first graph is male to female ratio only. Okay, so now maybe top five agencies and bottom five agencies involved in encounter. So in encounter, I think top five is, we know that state wise we are getting it. Okay, we can even get this like bottom wise. How can we need to just duplicate this data, right? How can we duplicate this data? Here, look here. So we have this duplicate sign. So you just need to click on this, click on your, go to your edit filter and select top, and you have to just click bottom, and okay, there we go. So these are, the bottom five of my data. So I'm just writing bottom five agencies, and these are nothing but top five agencies. So I am writing here maybe top five agency. Okay. Okay, now the question. So two questions. I guess three questions I have already solved. So now you have to find out the age group, find all the graphs and analyze all the graphs and put it in the dashboard. Okay, create an option to select the see month wise report for an overview, and also provide an option to find the insight for each individual state. So you have to have this option for each individual state. So you can either choose the filters, or you can either choose the map graph which is interactive with each other. So I want each and every graph should be interactive with each other. And now then okay, so one thing I forget to tell you. Let's okay, this is my it's like, okay, so graph, what's the question, what was the question? Encounter that
Create
occurs over different so encounter that occurred over different countries. So you can go for this maybe UID. So I'm just choosing, okay, UID. Then so I wanted to select maybe in measures I want count. Okay, so it will, give me count of encounter which happened in various regions or various state. So in California, the count of encounter is 371. Okay, let me just, okay, I don't want this. I want state in label. Okay, now I can see in Oakland, I am getting the count of encounter is 69. In Texas is 2004. The top three is California, Texas, and this FL. FL, I don't know the name of FL. But yeah, so this thing. Okay, great. Now we can even field it, right? I think field map will give us great. Okay, Auckland here is giving me 12, and let's just edit the color and make it something pretty. Let's say purple. I think purple will look nice. Okay, so that's my graph. So I'm creating one dashboard for it. Okay. What thing is okay. So it's a floating one, and let's apply maybe sheet number two first. So I need to, increment the size with the bit. Let's say this is enough. So I want this to look nice. So let's say this is the look, and I want little zoom. And I want this should go, oh my God, 1 second. I want this should go here. And I wanted to, edit the name of it. I don't want count of encounter. I want maybe encounter count. Okay. Okay, that will do encounter count, and I just need to increase a bit. And I don't want sheet number two. I wanted to name this sheet as well. It's like maybe country wise encounter, right? Country wise encounter. Okay, now I can easily. see something here. So which country has more encounter? What do you think? Which country? Or maybe no, country wise it's wrong. It's state wise, right? We are working with state wise encounter. Now you tell me which country is giving me more this thing. CA, right? It's nothing but California. CA, right? The darker color is like CA. So if you, yeah, the largest one is AK, but the which one like the darker shade. So darker shade means what? That indicate the count, maximum count of encounter happen in this area. So
Yeah.
which one is darker? What do you think? Let's maybe let's just give it
Let
another.
us see.
Yes, 1 second. Let me give the different color, maybe red to this. Okay. Now you tell me which country or which state is giving me more encounter. It's CA, right? The dark green color is nothing but CA. So C is giving me what? More encounters. The number of encounter happened in CA is larger as compared to any other state. So what we are going to do, we are going to write this analysis, whatever we thought, right? So we need to write this analysis. So I'm writing California are highest highest rated state in encounter, or you can just write as per your thing, or I'm just maybe making it a little different or like this. Let's just create it a little small. Now you can read it. My analysis are written here, right? You have to write it in proper form. Okay, again, like highest should be the capital R, the capital R should be here, the state should be S capital. It will look nice and clean. So encounter E, or maybe I should be capital like this. So maybe R should be also capital. So you can write it in everything should be in capitals. Now it will look nice. It's looking nice, right? So this is how you can even give analysis part in your dashboard, like something whatever you analyze, just write that thing, okay, while creating a dashboard. So it will be easy for the non-technical person to just look at it and get the detail out of it. Okay, so this is my first graph, or maybe I can put another one somewhere here. It's nothing but what, gender, male or female. So I don't want the name. I don't want it should be like the. So I don't want count of. It should be like something. It should be nothing actually. It just I need to may I need to check the male female ratio. I don't want to put any title here. I don't want this header as well. I just want this graph, and I don't want this non-conforming. So I need to go on, sheet number one. Here I have only one non-conforming. So I'll just go here, apply filter, and I'll uncheck this and press OK. Now it's completely good, I think. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so I have this column here, right? I can choose it. So I can place it here somewhere, and let's make it maybe like this. Okay, you can clearly see now. You need to write this sheet number one. I don't want a sheet. I want mail. So you have to create it nice and tidy. Male female ratio. Okay, and you can write the comment or analysis part here. So as you analyze female, like males are, the male ratio is, uh, males are more into encounter thing, whatever. You can write anything, just put it here. And what happened here? Why it's not? It doesn't look nice. But why I'm getting this? Okay, forget about it. We'll figure it out and just apply some our graphs. So I have this thing. So I need to put it somewhere else, maybe here. Or it should look, it should go, or should I remove? Okay, what do you think? Is there any need of this slicer? So you have to click, on states, and then whatever encounter, number of encounter happens in particular state, I need to see that. That was there, right? And that is also the one thing also there. Like I need to find out top five and bottom five agencies who are there in encounter state wise. So I need to check state wise top five and bottom five encounter companies who have been part of encounters. Correct? So for that also I filter. So same question I'm asking you again. Like, do I need this filter? Yeah, but again, if maybe the state, right? So I'll put this state into label. Now labels are there. So if I go to dashboard, I'm having this thing also. So if I put this into like this filter, if I use this active filter, so it became my interactive dashboard. It's clicked on California only, but why? What happened to my graph? Okay, but you understand, right? Even graph will act as the filters for my state. So there is no need to have two filters in one dashboard. So graph will act like a filter to us. Okay, now let's say now I'm not selecting, I'm not getting anything. One second, let me just check what happened to my. Okay, one second. So I selected CA. So maybe in filters, edit filters. So you have to click all and then OK. Then I'm getting the whole sum, whole like values. Now if I click here, what have I click? Maybe Auckland, the recording Auckland, or maybe and new. So, so is it interactive? Do you think what it is interactive? Okay. So now I can, go for it and choose a lot of things for you. Okay, so I have graph, I have top five agencies, I have bottom five agency, I have four, I have created four graphs. So I have to create two more and just create the dashboard according to your thing and just apply lots of efforts, then you will learn a lot of things. Okay, so this is how it should be, the graph look should be. So this like I have just uploaded three graphs. So we need to, use at least six graphs. We'll learn more like join and relation, like what is relation in my table and what does that mean. So I want you to complete this dashboard, okay? So we'll discuss about this once again because I want, why I'm forcing you to complete this. The reason, if you complete it, then I'll look towards the everything about dashboard is clear. So you have to just go through this and layout part and just check the what else you can do. You go to dashboard, device layouts, or maybe formatting or action show title. A lot of things are there, so you have to just go through each and every section and create one good dashboard. I'll just check your dashboard in next session so that